This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Again, we feature founders as well as technology and software firms on our podcast. If you're ever interested in a sponsored episode, reach Scott Becker, 773-766-5322. First time joiners on our sponsored podcast, we will do it awfully cheap. Anyways, here are 9 stocks that dropped yesterday, that took it on the chin yesterday. Sweetgreen, the sort of fast casual restaurant, dropped more than 10%, but it's still up 231% year to date. Who would have seen that coming? It's risen literally like a high-tech stock this year. Second, Coinbase dropped 9%, 9.5% yesterday. It's still up 80% year to date. Third, Comcast also dropped nearly 10% yesterday. It's down year to date 7.5% or so. Many of us have a love-hate relationship with Comcast. I hate to even make jokes about big companies today because somebody decides to shoot them, which is so crazy. But Comcast is down 9.5% yesterday, down 7.26% year to date. Fourth, Abercrombie and Fitch dropped 7.42% yesterday. Fifth, another company we love to hate, the big phone carriers, the big cable carriers. T-Mobile dropped 6.8% yesterday. Year to date, it's up 43%. Like Comcast, my phone bill is more than I could have ever anticipated. It's literally insane. We use Verizon, but it's all the same. Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. If somebody has a suggestion that they love on the phone carriers, I'd love to hear it. I can't seem to find that right. Sixth, MicroStrategy, the Bitcoin investor, dropped 7.5% yesterday, but it's up 478% year to date. I missed investing in that. Wow. Carnival Cruise Line dropped 4.6% yesterday. Again, I don't know that people love cruises. I've got a little claustrophobia. Seems brutal. Eighth, Affirm dropped 4.26% yesterday, the financial services firm. And ninth, even though the rest of the airlines did really well this week, United took it on the chin and dropped 4.25% yesterday. Again, we should feature founders, software firms, technology firms on the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Please feel free to join us anytime. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Those are 9 stocks that dropped yesterday.